So this video is about installing Alpine stone, and you can see we've put this on around the edge of a fireplace. So I think it's a good idea to start at the edges and cut all the edges and shape the edges first, and then fit the side panels. You can see the fireplace. We've just gone up half the side over here. Now, in terms of the tools you use, this glue, the 11FC glue from Sikaflex, has been amazing, and I've cut all the stone with the my Milwaukee battery operated angle grinder, but with a diamond blade. Has been amazing. Setting up the stone, I think it's a good idea, as many people recommend, is to try and sort it into different size pieces, small, medium, large and thin. Just means it's easier to collect when you're trying to fit the puzzle together. So hopefully some of those tips help, but it takes time, but it's certainly worth the effort. You know, I've been essentially fitting one piece at a time, obviously, and gluing it. So hopefully some of that information helps. Thank you.